Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2019-17 Montauk. Fantastic boat that we have down here. It does everything very, very well. It's in the light blue color. It's got the stainless steel insert. You've got the rails, the chrome-plated stainless rails, aft and forward as well. And the new redesign that they did in 2018 is just off the charts as far as the lines are smoother and nicer looking, and it rides much better as well. So, fantastic boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 17 Montauk, and let's start with the helm seat area. If you are fishing, conveniently can sit with the backrest here, and you do have the live well, good size live well directly into the seats. So it's very convenient to be fishing off the back of the boat. And then when you are driving the boat, you just pick it up, and now you're facing forward. Plenty of room up here. Put a GPS, VHF radio, more than enough room up here. Drink holders, very well appointed. You've got a couple of tackle boxes there. You've got storage underneath the helm area. More rod holders up at the front. You've got a cooler that doubles as a seat here, so it does both very, very well. And then you've got storage boxes, anchor locker, all with non-skid on it, all non-skid on the top of the gunnel. It does everything well. It'll handle a foot. The draft is a foot, but you can take it out in the Gulf and be safe out there as well. So, any questions on it? My name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.